Alright, wanted to show you this. Here it is, 5/8 inch stainless steel hitch pin. You take it apart, pull that up, and that locks. We do that again, that's straight, put it through, pull and lock. It has a cable in here too. Just trying to think what that would be for. Not exactly sure what that cable's for. Stainless steel hitch pin and pivoting anodized aluminum barrel head, one-piece design. Eliminates lost clips. Barrel rotates and locks in both directions. There's the barrel. Does do that. Maybe to hang it up or something when not in use. Don't know. Someone out there does though.